Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul. This is a cumulative haul from my day of not cropping, so I'm not sure what days he's gonna rotate in my cycle, but anyway, on my channel. But we were supposed to do an all-day crop and with all this stuff going on, and not supposed to be in large groups. We decided to get our stuff and just go ahead and go out to eat, and then we went shopping. And we enabled each other. We went to Hobby Lobby and to Michael's. Now they went to the Michael's where we were at. I went on my way home, so the next day. I went the next day to Michael's. I really wasn't looking at anything. I just wanted to go get some tape. So I just got two packs of the 2-pack of tapes. So in case we are stranded, which I'm hoping not. If we locked up in the house, you know, gotta have tape. Gotta have tape. So they had these on clearance. I already had one before, but I got another one, and it was the dot grid one, which you probably can't see because there's a glaring light. But it was, I think it was a $5.97 or $6 or something. And it was like half price. It was on clearance, and I love the little textured. I don't think it's real leather. Faux leather, I'm sure. The lace fat. But anyway, got that. Then I got some stamps. I used some coupons, of course. But these were $5.99. This was $9.99. But I had a coupon on each one. Well, a coupon on one of these. This was 50% off, and I had 40% off. But anyway, I got these 3 different fonts. I just thought they were cool. In case I want to stamp something out, I have some different fonts that I can use in my Bible journaling and art journal. Really like those. And then I got these two, which are different with the flowers on them. Sorry about the glare. They're in the package. Went to HL. I don't know if they had a clearance or not, because I haven't been over there. I don't get to go as much. I just have not been going on that side of the water. Not going to my TMs over there, but just I don't have time to drive too much, so I don't go like I used to. But what I did get, of course, was Paper Studio stuff, because it was 50% off the day we went. And I got these little girls. So it's 3 designs. They just moved them around, but it's 3 designs. $1.50. And I got some more ephemera. And these are some packs that I didn't have before. And this is, does it say how many? 24, 3 designs. 8 designs, 3 each, excuse me. 24 pack. They don't have names. It's the same thing. 8 designs, 3 each, 24 pack, and that's what they look like. And then I just got this little sticker, and again, all of these were 50% off. They're puffy with the little girls. Cute for ATM. It's money on my mind. Cute for so dark. Cute for ATCs, index cards, memory dex cards, small, 3x3s, 4x4, something like that. Then you got your sort of like your flares. Then you got some stickers, which could be used on those things or planners or anywhere. And again, that was 50% off. I only got 1 stamp set, and this was used a coupon, 50% off. Oh, so happy day. 40% off, excuse me. Homemade, stitch with love, 1 stitch at a time. And I thought this would go good because I got the Craft to Japan embossing folder with the bodice and stuff. So I thought have some extra stamps to go along with it, even though I did get some of the other ones. And then I have a Spellbinders sewing machine and needle and thread set. or dies. Then I just got some more stickers that were 50% off. And they were cute because you can use these with the paper collection, or with the LOL collection, or in your planners. Anywhere you want to stick stickers, you can put them. And these were half off. Girls just want to have fun. Hello, lovely, yay, be a boss. XOXO besties, love this, lady bosses. So I have the paper pad and the washi that goes along with that. Those colors. And then this was the other one. I have the paper pad to go along with this too. And this says, sketch your eyelashes to girls. Bonjour. So sweet. Ooh la la. More. I can't. Oh gosh. We. Beep beep. I videotape these so late at night. This one says, amazing grace, he reigns, joy, my savior, faith, peace, faith, hope, patience. You are my rock, love, trust in him, glory to God, my God, delight in the Lord, and blessed. And again, scripture writing, Bible, and journaling. I would journal something like that. It could be index cards, index cards. This one says, walk in faith, blessed be the Lord, be joyful in hope, God is love, his love endures forever. The Lord bless you and keep you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. The Lord is my shepherd, and all shall praise his name. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. Faith, love, hope, rejoice in his mercy. Blessed be the Lord, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. So just really thought those great sentiments. Put in some cards, something like that. So this one is colorful, but it says, be still and know that I'm God. We love because he first loved us. Those who trust in God can do all things. I have loved you with an everlasting love. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust him this day. Those who trust in God can do all things. Let's say that. Take delight in the Lord, and he will give you desires of your heart. When your heart is full of Christ, you want to sing. Each day is a gift to be opened with prayer. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His mercy endures forever. The Lord is my shepherd. With God, all things are possible. So just nice font colored stickers. And these are all half off. So this is the last one. God is love. Each day is a gift. Praise Christ, my shelter. Peace, joy, Lord. Love, Lord, delight in the Lord, faith, rejoice always, trust in the Lord, hope. Lord, be still and know that I'm God, prayer, and thankful. It's just some colorful stickers, just add yourself a little bit of dimension. So thanks for looking at that and watching and checking out my channel. So this is Dawn, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.